All right, we got some super chats. Who wants to take out some super chats? We got Brian. He comes in. He says, "Hey, Ski-Doo just released a back year compatible GPS receiver for their 10.5-inch display. Any word on one for Sea-Doo?" We had James Hines, who is the head of the entire marine boat division for BRP, and he did not speak to a retroactive upgrade. He did not mention that there would be anything that would go backwards, but he was talking about future tech packages. We actually clipped that one piece of him talking, and it's going to go live on Friday for our quick topic. That's not going to be a satisfactory answer. The biggest thing that needs to happen with the 10.5-inch screen is the horrendous BRP Go app. I personally hate it, and it is cumbersome and clunky, and it also devours a lot of storage space on your phone. So there's already better versions of this stuff for Can-Am and then Ski-Doo. Always follow the money. Can-Am is the moneymaker. So see what they do with Can-Am first, then see if it makes it to Ski-Doo, and then from Ski-Doo it'll end up being with Watercraft. So I can't give you a definitive answer on that one, but I can give you a pattern to follow, if that makes any sense.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.